Hello world, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we're going to go over how to create a string from elements within a list, right? So think of it like you have a list of strings, right? So you want to create a word or a string or a sentence from those elements within the list. So that's what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. We'll be using BPython. Again, if you know what BPython is all about, you can check out the video on BPython. Okay, so you can also feel free to follow along with the normal Python interpreter. So if you're on BPython, how to install it and more about BPython, please check out the video and the card will be up here. Okay, so I'm just going to start at my my BPython interpreter, right? So you can also follow along with your normal Python interpreter. So I'll clear the screen right there. So let's create call it my list, right? List, which will just be a list of words, right? So just say let me just say hello, and then another one will be world, and then match, and then another one will be love, like this. So just end that right there. So we have a string here just having the elements hello, world, match, love. Okay, so we want to create a sentence having hello match, hello world, match, love. So let's go ahead and actually see how we can do that. So to do that, we simply have to say that let's say word, let's call it sentence, sentence, just like this. Sentence will be equals to let's create an empty string just like this, an empty, and then we say dot join. Okay, you can see even Python BPython gives you some suggestions. Dot join, and we simply have to provide in here an iterable, which would be my list in this case. Okay, so that's all we need to do. So after doing that, we need just to close this. Okay, so now that we have closed that, we just have to run the code and then we see what we get. Okay, so let me just run that. So just go sentence just like this, and we can see hello world, match, love. Okay, so that's why we get back the word. So this is what this determines the space between the given word. So for example, if I let me just use the arrow function in BPython. So just arrow, and then let's keep the space like that, and then let's print back it's taking so much time. So let's use sentence, and then you can see we have no space between the words. So in here we must always be able to keep the space. Whatever you keep the space there, whatever you keep in here will be what will be used to join these words. Okay, so let me just reverse this, and then I'll put in here maybe a plus just like this, and then we can go and print sentence, and you can see each word is joined by using the plus, right? So if you want to create like a sentence, what you want to do is to keep in here just a space, right? And then you can go ahead and actually print sentence, and then you can have that right there. So this is all I wanted us to talk about in this tutorial. If you find this helpful, please kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more informative videos like this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Keep safe.